So this side.
Let me read the letter. I am writing to bring to your attention the severe noise pollution issue in Anjuna and surrounding areas. Despite numerous attempts to address this concern, little to no action has been taken by the authorities, resulting in continued suffering for the local residents, particularly the students and the elders. With the upcoming long weekend, especially during Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan, and it goes on and on and on, all the amche events chalud astat. I urge the authorities to take immediate and strict action against clubs, pubs and shacks that are violating noise pollution regulations by playing loud music. While I demand the action be initiated around the year, police need to maintain strict vigil during the upcoming long weekend from August 14 onwards for Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan and this. Additionally, I implore the deployment of police personnel at critical points and habitual offender clubs to ensure immediate enforcement action against them. The persistence of this noise pollution matter has significantly impacted the quality of life for the affected residents, especially for the elderly and the students. Hence, I urge prompt and decisive action to sort out this issue. Thank you for your attention to this matter, and I look forward to a swift resolution. कित्याक आमी आमदार जाल्ल्याक या आमच्या बायलांक विचार हांगा हो पी आय नासलो आमचो आदलो पी आय आसलो पंचायत बॉडीक आपोवन त्या एक क्लब आहा ते त्यांच्या ओनराक आपोवन मीटिंग घेतलेली हांगा तुझ्या एक हॉलान आनी तांकां सांगलेले सी वी आर ऑल्सो इनटू रेस्टॉरंट्स आमचे हे सगळे लोक ट्युरिजमाचेर जगतात बट दॅट डज नॉट मीन यू नो दीस रात इतले लाऊड म्युझिक की त्यांच्या घराची दारां जोनेलां व्हायब्रेट जातात घरांत जाणटी लोक आहात स्टुडंट्स आहात द म्युझिक स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एक आताच पळयलें 4 AM टू नेक्स्ट डे 10-11 AM म्हळ्यार फुल नायट आनी नोर कांयच एक्शन जायना कांयच आमी आमचो स्टेट ट्युरिजमाचेर जगता आमचे जे येतात ते ट्युरिस्ट तांकां थोडे तरी एंटरटेनमेंट जाय till 10 o'clock music is okay and as per pollution control regulation till 65 decibels I am till 10 o'clock from 6 AM till 10 PM is this rule but it goes on and on and on आमच्या सरकाराकडे क्लब पॉलिसी अजूनही येऊन ना that is another आम्ही असेंब्लीन उलोवप करीत आहात की क्लब पॉलिसी म्हणून घालात कित्याक क्लब पॉलिसी घालची कित्याक हे सरपंच बोलल्या आमच्या वॉर्ड मेंबरांना बोलल्या त्यांच्या कडल्यान हे जे रेस्टॉरंट वाले आहा ते बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाचे लायसन्स घेतात आणि तुसर क्लबा चलयतात सो आम्ही पंचायती कडेन जेन्ना विचारतात व लोक जेन्ना तांकां विचारतात तेन्ना ते म्हणटात आम्ही क्लबाची हे दिल्या काय म्हणटात लायसन्स आम्ही दिला बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट आणि त्या बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाच्या नांवान तुसोर दीस रात एंड टुडे आयच्या रातच्या साकून चालू जातले आणि आम्ही हे PI कडे उलयले कलेक्टरा कडे वचून तांकां लास्ट इयर घेवन गेल्ले उगडा सा म्हाका even to the extent of going to the collector but nothing is being done and this year we are going to be no more this आम्ही हाय कोर्टाच्या हितून दारार वचून बसलेली only चलो see we are not against music you put on the music तेही आमचे भाव जे कोणले तरी बारीक बिझनेस करतात ते पण 10 o'clock after 10 o'clock the music should be for listening pleasure म्हटल्यार कितें स्लो हे करपाचें आनी यू नो अंडरस्टूड नो आफ्टर 10 o'clock it goes on and our CM has to take initiative to make this club policy. आमच्या पंचायतीकूय कळोंक जाय बाबा आपूण लायसन दिता ते क्लबाक दिता काय बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाक दिता. माय क्लासिक एक्झाम्पल इज आसागांव ते रुंबा काय झुंबा येयल्ले पळय ते थंयसरूय पंचायती कडेन तेणी हें घेतलें कितें तें बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट लायसन्स आनी चालू करपाक आहले थंयसर क्लब म्हूण आयकलां. मागीर लोक सगळो रस्त्यार येवन मागीर हांवें त्या लोकांक व्हेले हांगा खंयचे आमच्या TCP मिनिस्टरा कडेन. I took them and the TCP this was withdrawn the clearance. मागीर ते CMाकूय मेवले and it was with the help of TCP minister and CM that club this was withdrawn म्हणून आमच्या आसागांव. बट हांगा कितें जाता चड करून आमच्या वागातोर एरिया कितें जाता जेन्ना ती रेस्टॉरंटां म्हण तूं दे आर इन आयसोलेटेड प्लेस आमच्या लोकांक त्रास जायना. बट वागातोर स्पेशली आनी आमच्या थंयसर ते पेट्रोल पंपा कडेन ते थंयसर whatever these people will talk our residents will talk speak now. वागातोर is a residential area. दीस रात एक विकेंड आयकूंक जाता पूण दीस आनी रात तेंच्या आरोग्याचेर तेंकां तेंचे हेल्थ एफेक्ट जाता. आमकां खबर आहा आमचे लोक थंयसर बिझनेस करतात नाजाल्यार तेणी रेंटाक दिलात ते कोण रेंटाक घेतात ते टेक अस फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड दीस इयर वी विल नॉट अलाव दीस थिंग टू गो ऑन. आफ्टर 10 o'clock यू पुट युअर म्युझिक स्लो और हांवें आनी एक ऑप्शन दिल्लें. आतां हे कितें जे आमचे कितें आहा आमच्या लोकलांनी हांकां खूब जाणांक रेंटाकूय दिल्ले आहा. And those who have taken it on rent, the outsiders, I am pleading to them, बाबा तुमच्या कडे कसली तरी सिस्टम आमी वयतात भायल्या गांवांनी आनी हेडफोन्स असतात. हेडफोन्स इफ यू वॉन्ट टू पुट युअर म्युझिक ऑन हेडफोन घालात तांकां तो सिस्टम घालात आनी आख्खी रात नाचात. आमच्या लोकांक त्रास काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. पूण तुमी तुमच्या ट्युरिस्टांक तुमच्या आय मीन तुमच्या शेकार येयल्ले तुमच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचेर येयल्ले तांकां तें घालात हेडफोन सिस्टम आनी लेट देम एन्जॉय एट वॉट वॉल्यूम बिकॉज वी नो तो वॉल्यूम त्या ट्युरिस्टान त्या हेडफोनाचेर एडजस्ट करूंक जाता आपल्याक कितलो लावड जाय तो. दॅट सिस्टम इज देर एवरीवेर. सो इन्वेस्ट अ लिटल मोर इन दॅट सिस्टम आनी ते तुज्या हितून कोण ते प्रिमायसिसान कोण येतात तुज्या शेकान येतात तुज्या रेस्टॉरंटान येतात तांकां आफ्टर 10 o'clock तुका म्युझिक स्लो करूंक नाका. स्लो करूंकूच जाय एज पर रूल पूण तुका आनी इल्लें एंटरटेनमेंट करूंक जाय जाल्यार ते हेडफोन घालात. आमी गेल्यात भायल्या गांवांनी आमी वयतात आमी पळयतात दॅट हेडफोन हॅज अ लिटल रिमोट हाव मच दॅट पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू पुट द वॉल्यूम हाय and dance, let them dance. Our people have no problem, but our people have problem when the music goes on beyond 10 o'clock and it goes on and on at this their heart rate increases. ती जाणटी तेंच्या घरान हा भुरग्यांक इस्कॉल हे करिना घरातले जोनेलां आनी दारां वायब्रेट जातात. राव आनी I am telling you this time I will not take this for this because these people, I am their representative. Along with the panchayat, I will sit with these people on the steps of the High Court. आणि आमकां हांगा don't take us for granted. Put little money more, invest in your proper sound system with that headphones and dance to glory. But this will not be tolerated. This will not be tolerated this year because the health of my people comes first for me. आणि हेंकाय रिक्वेस्ट करता माझा सरपंच हा हांगा आनी वॉर्ड मेंबर हा तुमकां खबर हा की कोण क्लबां कोण रेस्टॉरंटां हे रेस्टॉरंट आनी बार एंड रेस्टॉरंटाच्या नांवान क्लब चलयतात तेंची तुमी रिन्यूअल करिनाकात. माय रिक्वेस्ट माय रिक्वेस्ट इट्स बीन गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन. लास्ट इयर हांगा घेतलेली त्या ग्राउंडाचेर मिटींग, मागीर हांगा घेतली, देयर इज नो एक्शन. आणि म्हाका PI आयज हुंय आयज राती साकून ते चालू जाता म्युझिक. हुंय तुझ्या पुलीस आसतले ते म्हाका आत्तां म्हाका हे करून दी. टेल मी वेर युअर पुलीस विल बी डिप्लॉयड. I don't want my ladies to take out some candle march and रातची बावडी हांगा तुयसर भोंवताली last year. I feel pity for them. इवय मरे कितें नागाले तेंका काम ना. Night march, that is their right, but don't make them do it. I want your police deployment from tonight. हुंय आसतले. I want the plane now and I am not moving from here till I get your plane. आणि ना हुंयच्या पळय ती न्हू फोन मारतात. हुंयचो नंबर तुजो चालू उरतलो तो सांग म्हाका.
हांव आसतलो हांगा. I will be there.
ना it is become a joke.
Madam,
it is become a joke.
My staff will be there in Bagator. My staff will be there in Anjuna. It will be there in Asagaon. And it will be there.
नंबर सांग लोकांनी. हुंय कोणाक मारपाचो हुंयच्या मोबायलार हुंयच्या हेजेर कॉल.
Same PI number. /27.
ना आक्को नंबर सांग.
7875756027. And हांव आसतलो हांगा. I will be here.
See, it becomes. See, I am not. तू बाबा neo PI. तुजो additional charge. I have nothing against you, but my people are suffering.
No,
and understood.
I will see that it is stopped at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, and let them put it slow.
No, slow.
We are see that even before 10 o'clock they keep a certain decimal, because the problem is the exams were going on, and I've been complaining even to the Anjuna police station and 112. So please see that they keep a certain decimal.
No, after 10 o'clock, forget decimal. It will be.
Yeah, even before 10 o'clock there should be certain decimal. They plus the music.
One.
Even we, we have a prayer. I mean, Theos Muntat. So when we make a prayer, not possible. Those houses.
Listen, as per rule, it is 65 decibels.
But it is 100
55.
Yeah, so let them monitor.
Yes.
From 5 o'clock they start. But anyway, we don't want music after 10.
Yeah.
No, after 10 I
the
will
thing,
stop.
we agree after 10.
The thing is, it is not before 10 and after 10. The thing is that you have to install the noise monitoring station. If you don't have the noise monitoring station, shut down the place. This is the important thing. This has already been given by the court. It has already been given by the court. If they don't have a noise monitoring station,
Mrs. Lobo, my question to you is this: these people, okay, they are police inspectors here. You have come before. You have spoken to the police inspectors before. The problem is with the CM, because he has come, he has promised people that he will stop, and it has not stopped. So if the CM cannot stop, how will this poor police inspector stop?
We will bang the doors of the High Court. I am telling you.
So Goa doesn't have a government.
Goa has a government.
High Court is not our government, no?
Listen, if police don't take action now, this year, we will go. If we think the PI concerned, it is the PI. It is the PI of the concerned PI, स्थानिक PI असता, त्याचे ड्युटी ती. तो करिना काम, तेंका खबर हा कितें ह्या हा ते आमी हाय कोर्टा कडेन पासून वयतली. बिकॉज
मॅडम एक मिनिट म्हाका सांगा, आता तुम्ही जस्ट उलयतना सांगलात की हांगा तुमच्या पुलीस स्टेशनार मिटींग जाल्यो, पब्लीक मिटींग जाल्यो, तरी हे बंद जायना. गव्हर्मेंटान वेल एज हायकोर्टान एक नोटिफिकेशन काडलें की 10 उपरांत हे सगळे बंद जावपाक जाय, तरी हे बंद जायना. हेची तुम्ही तर सरकारान आसा सध्या, आणि सरकाराचे एक आमदार पुलीस स्टेशनार येता आनी हे बंद करा म्हणटा, अजून बंद जायना. एक मिनिट खंय तरी ही सरकाराकूच लज अशें म्हणून येता. पूण हेका लागून तुमच्या स्टेप कितें आसतलें हें तुमी आतां सांगलें, पूण हे बंद जायना. हेच्या फाटल्यान खंय तरी एक मोठ्या प्रमाणात खंय पुलिशेक म्हणा, एक आमदाराक म्हणा, अथवा पंचायतीक खंय तरी मोठ्या प्रमाणात हप्तो वयता काय कितें, हो एक प्रश्नचिन्ह निर्माण जाता. कित्याक बंद जायना, कितें दिसता तुमकां?
बाबा, तो कोणाक खंयचो हप्तो वयता ते आमकां खबर ना. पूण हांव सांगपाक येयला, आय एम कन्सर्न अबाउट द हेल्थ ऑफ माय पीपल, एंड इफ दीस कॅनॉट, द PI इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. हांव हांगा PI कडेन येयला. पळय, हांवें हे कितें तें इनवर्ड आतां म्हाज्या भुरग्याक धाडला कलेक्टराकूय ही लेटर वयतले वॉट्सएपार हांव तिका फॉवर्ड करतले इनवर्ड तिका तिचे कडेन उलयताले डेप्युटी कलेक्टर थंयसरूय इनवर्ड वयतलो मागीर SP इनवर्ड वयतलो आनी DYSP is the same letter will be inwarded at all these places and but one who is responsible is the Stanik PI from here. Understood? No? He has given the mobile number. Whoever has not taken, again he will repeat it.
No, I will be here only at the
yes.
police station.
आणि आमका ते DYSP कोडे आणि कलेक्टरा कोडे आणि हेजे कोडे वचपाक दिनाका. My ladies have gone, banged the door at everyone. And this year we want to put certain things. कित्याक 2 वर्सां पयल्या वर्सा आमकां कळूंक ना दुसऱ्या वर्सा आमी मिटिंगे घेतल्यो हे केले सगळ्यांक सांगले somewhere something is wrong. पूण ह्या वर्सा जावपाक दिवचें ना. It's starting, the music is starting from when the season is starting from now. ह्या वर्सा जावपाक दिवचें ना. आमी खंय कॅन्डल मार्च म्हाजी बायलां येवची ना माझ्या बायलांक कॅन्डल मार्चाक येवची ना आमी कॅन्डल मार्च घेवन हायकोर्टाच्या दारार बसतली. I'm telling you, enough is enough. Enough is enough. We will sit at the High Court if justice cannot be given by you.
Done.
Madam, your place also is at Pisco by the beach, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yes, my music goes down after 10 o'clock.
Have you installed a sound monitoring station at your place?
That will be.
That you answer me first. You answer me and then you tell him we will take action against him. Your place has to be installed first.
Okay. The notices have just been sent to all the restaurants. Just been sent on the 22nd. I heard.
The thing has come on the 2nd of this thing, 13th of January 2022. It is not something new. It has been told to you all 110 times. Have you installed at your place? Yes or no?
I'll tell you. Ask the.
Yes or no? I am asking you.
No, let me tell you. Pollution Control Board and सांगून केन्ना लेटर यो रेस्टॉरंटांक पावल्यात ते पयले इथं. रेस्टॉरंटांक केन्ना लेटर यो पावल्यात from Pollution Control Board. The Pollution Control Board was supposed to send these letters to each and every restaurant. The day, and they have given certain timing, certain this I believe days to install. So from the date of if even my restaurant from the date they have not this, then take action. आमका कायच ना. My restaurant.
You being an
MLA, Baba,
being an MLA, why have you not initiated first?
Are Baba.
Now by telling them we will take action against you, you should have put yours first.
ऐकता माझे.
Then after you tell everybody else.
Yes. ऐकता माझे. Pollution Control Boardan sakon letter yo केन्ना बसून सगळे
So till that time you will continue blasting?
अरे माझे रेस्टॉरंट माझे क्लब after 10 o'clock.
Yours is the club. Why you got DJs over there? If yours is a club, I have got the thing here. I have got it here.
Listen, mine is a restaurant. Mine is not a club.
This is not
Listen.
a room.
No, let him talk. I have nothing against him. Mine is a restaurant. And we have such restaurants.
तो येला हां बोलो किरे उलयता
ना तेका he has pulled right. He has something against my restaurant. I have no problem. Listen, काय सगळ्या रेस्टॉरंटांनी हे घालूंक जाय आणि आफ्टर 10 o'clock my music goes off. Or my music, the restaurant, the music from my. Listen to me. You listen to me. I've heard enough from you. No. Listen. After 10 o'clock, the music from my restaurant goes at a listening pleasure. We don't blast. And tell me if any complaint has come from y'all or anybody regarding my restaurant.
I have made complaints here to this thing in the night time at 4 a.m. Asking whether he has taken any action.
Regarding my restaurant?
Not your restaurant.
Now you are talking about my restaurant.
I am talking about your restaurant because you are
my restaurant.
You are having DJs over there.
Because I agree, Baba. Because my restaurant. ना उलोवणी लगा त्याचे गावचा किती तो माझ्या रेस्टॉरंटान डांग म्युझिक स्लो जाता I would not say born जाता because I really don't know, but स्लो जाता आणि लोक उलयतात ते सारखे स्लो जाता आणि आयज पासून कोणाचेच कंप्लेन माझ्या रेस्टॉरंटाचेर हा जाल्यार सांग तू हांव हांगा हे करपाक येवंक ना अरे माझ्या रेस्टॉरंटाचेर आयज पासून माझे रेस्टॉरंट आणि आफ्टर 10 o'clock we put the music very very slow for listening pleasure. If you have made any complaint regarding my restaurant, you tell.
मॅडम त्याचे आस्काव कितें चलता ते चलोनी हांगा पयलीं अंजुनचे लोक येयला तो चलो
तू आतां खंयचो आस्कावचो राव तूं आतां आसगांवचो जाल्यार बरो आहा तूं येयला बरो आहा दीस इज रिगार्डिंग अंजुना वागातोर शापोरा एरिया.
Why do you think I have come here? Do you know how far I can hear the music? Do you know how far I can hear the music? Do you want to come to my place and listen to the music?
Baba,
come and listen.
Yes, listen.
तिच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचे आयकोंक येयलें म्युझिक तुमकां?
तिच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचें पासगांव आयकोंक येयलें?
I don't have my restaurant.
ना तिच्या रेस्टॉरंटाचे आयकोंक येयलें तुमकां?
Madam, see, there a major amount of noise is coming from Ozran. If this noise is shut, definitely I'll be able to hear her.
अरे बाबा,
definitely I'll be able to hear her.
तेकाच लागून आमी हांगा येयल्या खूंय तरी चालू करूया मी and
You told no last time use wireless headphones, so what has happened now ever
that's
since?
why we are come here. Last time it couldn't be done. That's why we are come here.
मॅडम घे फुडले ते सोड असा का तो ते बाहेर
I don't come.
I'm also from Anjuna.
अरे तू कोणी गेले म्हटलं माहिती आपल्याला लागू नका तोंडाक लागू नका पहिले तुका सांगता नकल बसू नका माझ्यावर
Not talk.
ए भाऊ
शांतपणे
उलोवपाक सांगला तेन्ना
Okay. Fine.
What rubbish.
Why are you threatening? I have a right to speak. I'm also from Anjuna.
I will stop all the music. That is my word. And I will be here at the police station. If anybody wants to come, they can come. I will be here. And they have my number. They can call me at the police station.
Why tonight if the music still plays, we'll be all coming.
Because tonight,
Because last night it was.
Tonight, if the music still playing after 10, you all come here. I will be here.
Because when we call last.
Nah, I will be here. I will be on camera. It will be closed. It will be closed. I will be here.
Okay, nice. Yes.
Nice, thank you. Because last all these years we've been coming, whole year we've been coming. Last year has not
Madam
done
clearly
anything.
said she is bothered about the health. You know how many people have died within that area? Did I give
I am
showing
only
the
additional charge over here.
death certificates?
When you came first, we came. After that also the music was being played. We came to you. We have come to you when you took charge here.
I send you to device P and we booked 2 cases also.
DSP didn't even meet us when we came here.
We see, after I came, I booked 2 cases. I booked cases on that Noah and I booked cases on Arbora one, Birds by Romeo Lane. Okay?
What about
But still the music is going on.
What about right? What about right?
If there is music, I will book a case on them also.
They've already been asked to shut down. I sent you the video.
See, whatever is there, no, you can reply.
I've given you the videos. I made a written complaint.
If there is any violation, I will
Written
book a
complaint I have given you.
If there is any violation, I will book a case. Okay?
So when we call also, when the music is going on and if we call 112, they will ask us from where you are calling, who are you, what is your name, where are the clubs, as if they don't know where are the clubs in
The
Ozran.
112 which you call, the call
Then we
doesn't go
call in
there.
Anjuna police
No, it
also.
doesn't, the call goes to
Even
Bengal.
we call Anjuna police station.
होय, आता तुका कितें प्रॉब्लेम आहे न्हू
Sir,
आयज बॉन जायना तू फाल्यां येव आनी म्हाका हे
But yeah, आम्ही इतले कॉल करतली and full weekend last week. Nobody was answering.
तुका आयच्यान बॉन घालता
आता मॅडम आयला म्हणून आयच्यान मग काय बघत
मॅडम
नाही.
येयला म्हणून काय ना आम्ही केसी बुक केल्या तेंचे कळ्ळें हेच्या पयलीं केसी बुक केल्या
Those who don't have the noise monitoring stations, you shut them down. It's not before
You don't have to
after
tell
10. Okay, fine.
So, what about
Fine.
9 bar?
Fine.
9 bar is playing from 9 a.m.
all everything will be
We have already put a complaint yesterday. I have
Everything will
included
be
one
shut down.
complaint letter to you with the posters.
Everything will be shut.
And they even don't have consent letter. These are the posters they have been displaying.
All these posters are
This is inverted to you yesterday.
Yeah, I have seen this. All will be shown.
There is no consent also.
That's how you look at them, sir.
No, I have seen this. I have seen that. They are inverted. Makade invert kutta it comes to me. Okay.
Because they don't even have ma'am consent to operate. You can see the names. I have from the Pollution Control Board. This club, some of them.
आणि कन्सेंट टू ऑपरेट ना म्हणून त्यांचे सील करून ना
करू ना इथले अजून चालू झाले मॅम. This was taken on the March.
पण याच्या नावान नसचे ना ते आपल्या वन नावार
एकूच नाव चेंज झालं.
Vamos. इको ते Vamos केला. And rate ते हा पण.
See, again I would like to this, we are not against I mean we want tourists. Tourism is the backbone of our economy. Is the backbone. Mining mining and tourism, both these things. But there is a certain limit to what the residents can take and understood. The health of our residents come first. And people, my humble appeal to our CM is form that club policy. ना जाल्यार ह्या आमच्या पंचायतींकूय कळना कितें ते रेस्टॉरंट काय हे म्हणून क्लब ते रेस्टॉरंट म्हणून दितात ते क्लब व्हडल्यान हें करतात आनी 10च्या उपरांत म्युजिकूय स्लो करून 2 वर्सां आमी हांगा हे रावंड मारतात. So this year I also brought press to show that we are very serious about this matter. We also don't this tourism again, there should be balance in everything. आणि आमच्या सीएमान क्लब पॉलिसी हाडूंकूच जाय, बेग्याच्या बेग्यान हाडूंक जाय. आणि for now whoever wants to this, I mean, have it properly, do it properly. Don't disturb the health and mental state of our residents. We restaurant पयस असतात आणि लोकांक त्रास जायना. Nobody is interested in those restaurants, but especially my Waghatwal area. Look, it's a residential area and the music goes on and on and on at such a decibel, I don't know, 65 is allowed. It goes to that extent. What they सांगतात it is Zoniala आणि Dhara. That should not be, that will not be tolerated when I am the MLA. And for the third this it is आताच तेका लागून आमी डिसेंबरान येवंक जाताले पूण हे म्युजीक चालू जातले and the season starts now. That's why I'm come the very first day. And my request, humble request,
I will do it, ma'am.
Don't let my people, especially my ladies, they have been coming to my home. It is not right. आणि हे जायना जाल्यार आमी हाय कोर्टान पासून वयतली. आणि we don't want any restaurants to be sealed on this. हांव परते सांगता म्हाका ती रेस्टॉरंटां खंयचीच सील आनी लॉक केल्ली नाका. तेंचे बिझनेस चलोना. कोणाकूच नाका, म्हाकाय नाका, आमच्या लोकांकूय नाका. कित्याक तेंचेच आमचे शेजारी ते आमचे शेजारी कोण 2 रुपया जोडटात बिझनेसाचेर. तेणी कोणाक भाड्याक दिला नाल्यार आपले ओन बिझनेस केला. I mean आपूण चलयता. Nobody wants to seal. आतांच आमचे रेस्टॉरंटां सील जावन अर्द्यांची ओपन जाल्यात. अर्द्यांची ओदी सीलूच उरलेली आहा. We know what they are going under. आणि आतां ती सील जाल्यात बिकॉज ऑफ CRZ. आणि आतां परते सील करूंक नाका आमकां तुमचे कोणाचेच बिझनेस बिकॉज ऑफ सावंड. 10 पासून चालू दवरात. ताच्या उपरांत ते हेडफोन घालून जाय घालात इन्वेस्ट करात bring your music down to a level where it is a person who is sitting on a table can converse with each other and neighbors can go to sleep in peace. This is my humble request to all the restaurants in my Shioli area, Shioli constituency. आमकां नाका थंयसर हायकोर्टान वचपाक कित्याक हायकोर्टान गेले थंयसर परते येतले परते सील करतले तुमचे आख्खें वरोस आमकां खबर आहा अजुनूय अर्द्यांची बावड्यांची सील आहा बिकॉज ऑफ CRZ. आतां पोल्युशन येतले हायकोर्ट वील दीस द पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड अगेन टू सील. We don't want your places to get sealed. This is our bread and butter.
They are having these parties and all. They should see their parking space also.
Yeah, parking also biggest problem.
Our children can't reach to college.
Yeah, 9 bar area, Alcove area,
traffic
is really a big problem.
My daughter was reaching late to college because of she goes by the bus. The tempo travels comes to take. In the 9 bar they couldn't pass the car.
We have to change the whole route only.
The car to pass. Diverting the traffic.
And they keep a board, 9 bar board with the light outside on the road showing the people that 9 bar is ahead club.
होय बाबा माझे रिक्वेस्ट पंचायतीकूय की नेक्स्ट टाइम तुम्ही रेस्टॉरंट लायसन्स दितात तेन्ना पार्किंग हुंय रे मातशें करात म्हणून सांगात तांकां. अंडरस्टूड इट इज ऑलवेज इन कोऑर्डिनेशन विथ दिस.
Not only parking, the problem is त्यांची आता रेस्टॉरंट थिजन नाही रस्त्यार हाडून मेस घालून बसता. that is completely not in the same.
From 80s and 70s, some of us we have been running places here, but we have not disturbed our neighborhood.
We had such a nice time at that time. Now only these days.
We know what is tourism, how we want tourists, but this is not.
Even European, they don't want to come here because it's noisy. They want to come for peace.
I remember last year guest had come at her restaurant. The roof was doing this.
She had to close the restaurant
and
and
just moved out from her restaurant. We cannot eat their food no longer.
She had to close the restaurant and sit. What we can do? We are the starting people who started restaurant businesses here, and now we have to close, and outsiders are coming and taking over.
But this is happening mostly now. All outsiders they are running it, and they don't know concept no katte. आम्ही लोकल जाणार कोणाक चिमटो काढला दुखतेले कितें. So mostly they are from outside. They don't think of this. Knowledge ना काय की टुरिस्ट येता कितें टुरिस्ट खाली नाचोकूच येना हांगा. टुरिस्ट आपले एन्जॉयमेंट बीच येतात रिलॅक्स करपाक येतात. दे डोंट थिंक दे थिंक ओनली वी नीड. आतां तुमी पळयतली स्वता इतले टुरिस्ट येता रुमां सगळ्याचे खाली. दे डोंट स्टे हियर. दे स्टे समवेअर ओनली टू मेक डान्स अँड मेक होल नॉइज नाईट टाइम दे कम हियर. सो दिस शुड बी समथिंग वी हॅव टू स्टॉप देट.
And then access to the beach is not there. All the clubs have taken over the access. What was the halat of Yavaska?
The sustainable tourism is not there. This is only all noise tourism.
तो फायदो कोणाक ना फायदो फकत फायदो म्हणजे ते कितें करून येता पळय तांकांच ते. दॅट इज ओनली थिंग.
And madam, it is only in small Wagator.
होय मोस्टली स्मॉल वागातर.
It is not in full Goa. Only in small Wagator.
All the clubs are coming in small because nobody is listening to us. First of all, the PI has not taken any action on this.
The ex-PI.
The ex-PI, whoever the PI who was in charge before. That's why we can't blame him. He just come, but the previous PI has not taken any action. We came so many times. Night time we used to be on the police station, sitting here. We were sitting here for 1 hour, 2 hours, but no action was being taken. That's why we have no trust.
Traffic guide. ते चगले
Night time.
आपण ये लोग ये
बाबा यो रे यो regarding the sound, he will take care. आता किती झाला पिसो ते हुंच्या रस्त्यावर
9 bar, near 9 bar there.
या 9 बार किशोर चौकीले त्यांचे ते हे असतात तिथले पार्किंग रस्त्यावर. लेट हिम हॅव हिज ओन पार्किंग. लेट द पार्किंग नॉट विथ द रोड इज नॉट फॉर पार्किंग. आणि तिथलो स्ट्रेच पंचायत बाबा तुम्ही आमकां एक रेजोल्युशन दियात की नो पार्किंग हे करपाक zone from here to there wherever is the point. Yeah, that let Dinesh Patel baba ते म्हाका हे दिया हांव करून हाडटा बट इट डजंट हॅपन ओवरनायट कॉलेन बट दॅट रेजोल्युशन मार हांवूय नोट मारता ते हे करतले कित्याक ते भुरग्यांक पासून म्हणटा ते भायर सरूंक जायना घरांतले.
Morning time 7 o'clock she leaves. Morning 7 o'clock the traffic is full. They can't go. 7 o'clock the school bus is going.
10 to 10 in the morning.
Yeah, so many times.
Music has to stop at 10 o'clock. It starts at 10 o'clock.
It starts at 10 o'clock. From 9 to 9 in the morning. The signboards are put 9 to 9. You can see there will be one but it was not.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
So, sir, the boards has to be removed out. All the boards have been put up.
Which boards?
These only advertisements.
On the road?
Yes. आमचे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पोल
ऐक बाबा तेणी ते घातले तो बंद करतो म्हणून. अंडरस्टूड. बोर्ड काम काढपाचे काम तेंचे ते बोर्ड काढपाचे
But
काम.
if it is disturbing the traffic
ट्रॅफिक तो होयतो.
No, if the board is like some boards are put that you can't see the other side of the road.
ते तुझो स्थानिक वॉर्ड मेंबर हा ताका दाखोय तो काढपाचे काम पंचायतीचे ते ट्रॅफिक पोलीस ना तेंचे ते तुझ्या स्थानिक वॉर्ड मेंबर
No, it just came that's why.
That is his duty. Let him remove from his end. But the traffic he will see and music.
So sir, please give us your number also. When there is traffic problem, we can contact you.
Take down. Mobile काढा घ्या नंबर.
Sharon number घ्या sir also.
नाही घ्या.
787575
787
7575
yeah
6269.
Because she has no problem there. It is near her house.
Just give me a ring. I'll send somebody now only so that you can see that place. You will be able to show me the place.
ऐसी ना
Yeah.
4 आदमी लेके रिक्शा लेके सब बोर्ड निकालो रास्ते पर लगाओ
I'll
पार्टी
send somebody.
ऑफ भी